Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to center product price on product cards in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to make your Shopify online store more professional, more user friendly, without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy and fast method to center product price on product cards in Shopify. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and here is the product card section. Looks here, and we wanted to center this product price of each product card. Okay, to do this, so first of all you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click in this three dot icon, edit code and search base, then open base.css file, go to the bottom and simply paste a simple code. Here is the code that you will find in the video description, the code snippet link, and from here you can easily copy this code snippet and paste it in here. Then click save. Asset save. Now go back my Shopify online store, reload. Wow, so simple and easy. So I hope you understand how we have make center the product price and product title. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.